It's the Money Talk Minute for Thursday. Good news for Boeing. After two crashes of 737 MAX jets that killed 346 people and seeing the entire 737 MAX fleet grounded for nearly 2 years, the aircraft company received an order of 75 jets from Irish Carrier Ryanair today. Since the accidents, Boeing has only had 42 orders, but the company still has a backlog of 3,400 jets that need to be built. This is a needed sign of confidence for the world's largest aircraft manufacturer. The jets have been cleared to carry passengers from the FAA, but needs worldwide approval before a full return. Airlines are also anticipating an eventual return to travel when coronavirus is under control. No doubt, 2021 will be a year of change. Put the Annex team to work. Get a plan for what's next. It's time to work with a fee-only fiduciary, and it's easy. Start at AnnexWealth.com. Click the Get Started button. For Dave Spano, I'm Danny Clayton from Annex Wealth Management. That's your Money Talk Minute.